Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really nice blackout set of roller blinds, and I kind of wanted to take a second to go over these because I really like them. I've gone ahead and installed one already over here, installed really easily and really nice. Loving that, loving the fabric that is on this, and I wanted to show you how to actually install this because it is so easy. This actually came custom cut. You have to get the exact size that you need, but it is a no drill installation, meaning that it has this side here, has a tension spring that can actually adjust it to your window within that amount of distance. So you do have to measure it pretty close, but once you do get your measurements how you want them, then it's as simple as sticking these on. Now, to stick these on to install, how I do it is I get it lined up exactly where I want to have it on this side over here, and then push in to then lock it in place on the other side. And it does have a spring and rubberized end on there to help prevent any kind of damage to your window. Once you've got the tension set in place where you want to have it, they provide you with a couple of other things. One is an Allen wrench that comes with each one of these, because you can pop this little plug out and adjust it if you need to adjust the amount of spring that this has, the amount of tension. It came preset with plenty of tension on it, so I'm not real concerned about adjusting this particular one, but if you did need to in the future, you have that. And then they do provide you with this nice cover of matching fabric, blackout fabric, that can simply hide all of the mechanics by simply slipping that up in there and locking it into place on that channel. That just kind of holds the roller, makes it a nice finished look. I really like that as well. And then lastly, they provide you with an optional little pull tab piece here that you can put on here, because once this actually goes all the way closed, it can become more difficult to get open unless you've got a place to grip it. So now you can simply pull it down. Again, custom size, you custom size it to whatever length that you want to have it. And I mean, that's a really nice blackout shade. Loving the fabric on that. We chose black because we already had some black curtains in here as well, but you can easily pick a variety of different colors. This would work well in pretty much anyone's home.